Opening your e-lock. Typing your factory default code 1234556. Then pound. After a soft click sound, spin safe handle clockwise to open. Changing your combination. Open safe door. Extend bolts by pressing the detent rod and spinning handle clockwise. Type 22 star followed by your current code, then pound. Next, type in your new 6-digit code, pound. Repeat the new code again, then press pound. Test your new code before closing your safe door. Changing your batteries. For double battery keypad, firmly grip bezel and pull away from plastic base. Careful, keypad wiring is still connected. Replace batteries, clear cord of pinch points. Align keypad with mounting plate and push until you hear it snap into place. For single battery keypad, pull tab underneath keypad. Replace batteries, then slide housing up until a click is heard.